When your car is considered totaled but still drivable, it means that the cost to repair the vehicle exceeds its actual cash value, ACV, or the repair cost threshold set by the insurance company. This usually happens after an assessment where the insurance company determines if the repair costs are greater than a certain percentage of the car's ACV, often around 70 to 80%. If the costs surpass this threshold, they may declare the car a total loss. Once your car is declared totaled, the insurance company will offer you a settlement based on the vehicle's ACV minus any deductible. This amount represents what they would have paid for repairs, but is now provided as a settlement instead. Despite the car being totaled, you still own it until you agree to the settlement and transfer ownership to the insurance company or another party if you choose to keep the vehicle. If your car is still drivable, you can continue to use it until you settle with the insurance company. However, it's important to note that driving a totaled car can be risky because its structural integrity might be compromised. After the settlement is agreed upon, the car will likely receive a salvage title, indicating that it has been declared a total loss. This designation affects the car's resale value and its insurability in the future. At this point, you generally have several options. You can accept the insurance settlement and relinquish the car to the insurance company, or you can choose to keep the car and accept a reduced settlement amount, allowing you to repair it yourself. Sometimes, if you opt to keep the car, you can negotiate with the insurance company to buy it back at its salvage value. It's essential to consult with your insurance company to understand the specific terms of your policy and any local laws and regulations that may impact what happens when a car is totaled, but still drivable.